I wasn't trying to trade Uniswap today, but then I spotted the price difference that lasted for just a few minutes and it turned into a profit opportunity almost instantly. In less than 5 minutes, I completed the trade and locked in the game. In this video, I will show you exactly where I found the arbitrage, how I executed it, and how you can spot similar opportunities yourself. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever we drop any update, you will know. Now let me show you how I found this arbitrage opportunity. The first thing I did was exit out of my browser and go straight to my Trust Wallet. It's always safer to be in your Trust Wallet. Then the next thing I did was click on the Discover, and then at the search input space, I imputed Valeris Network and hit enter. Now, Valeris is a DeFi platform, and this is where I found my arbitrage opportunity. Now, the first thing you want to do here is to make sure that you're connected to the Ethereum network. I am currently on BSC because I have done some transactions on the platform, and the last time I did the transaction, I was on BSC network. So all you just have to do is click on the network icon here and then select Ethereum because Uniswap is in Ethereum. Now, once that is out of the way, the second most important thing to do is to make sure that your wallet is connected to the platform. Now, to do this is simple. It's very easy. All you just have to do is, if you've not done it already, just click on the wallet icon. If you're using your if you're on the mobile, you're using your mobile device, click on the wallet icon and then follow the prompt. Then if you're on a desktop, you will see the connect wallet button. Click on it and then follow the steps. Now if you're confused about any of those, you can just easily follow the link that is provided at the top of this video. It leads you to a video that shows you how to sync your wallet with Valeris Network. Now with all of that out of the way, the next thing we want to do is just click on the menu and go to swap. Just allow this to load our tokens in. Give it a few seconds. Now we're here. Now the first thing I want to do first is, because I want the entire transaction to be very transparent, so we'll be able to understand exactly how much gain we made. So what I'll do first is I want to swap some of my ether to USDT. So I'll swap 2 ether. Once I provide the 2 ether here, the next thing to do will be to click on the swap and then confirm the swap transaction. Allow this to process for a few seconds, and you can see we have swapped ether to USDT. Now the next thing I want to do is just toggle this so I have my ether at the bottom and then USDT at the top. And the next thing I want to do is click on the ether and then search for, I don't even need to search for Uni. You can see Uni here. I click on Uni. Once Uni is being selected, the next thing I want to do here is come here and then provide the quantity of USDT that I want to swap for Uni. So for this video, I will do 3,500 USDT to swap to Uniswap. Now once that is done, 3,500, I click on the swap and click on the confirm. Give this a few seconds to process. And as you can see, the transaction has done successfully. Now all I just need to do is close out of this. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can so that the arbitrage opportunity doesn't just go off before I finish doing the video. So all we have to do now, once all of this is done, we've gotten our Uni token. The next thing to do is to exit out of this platform. Once we exit, we go back to the home of our Trust Wallet. Just as you can see here, our Uniswap has actually reflected on our wallet, and we can go in, click on the activities, and as you can see here, just pay attention to what you're seeing here. Now we have we actually deposited or used 3,500 USDT to buy 1,500 1,525 uni token, and this uni token resulted to 3,934, which is approximately, we made about 435 USD in less than 5 minutes. In less than 5 minutes we achieved this in a very simple and non-complicated manner. This is what arbitrage always looks like. Though yes, there are some risks to trading arbitrage. Always do your own due diligence before you start trading arbitrage. But this was an amazing opportunity and this is how I took advantage of it. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do well to subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon to be informed every time we release new content, and also like the video if it was helpful. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. I'll be there to always assist. Until next time.